Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare a delicious chunk stew. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of beef, cut into 1-inch pieces, 3 cups of your favorite mixed vegetables like carrots and potatoes, and 4 cups of rich beef broth. Don't forget your essential seasonings to bring out all those wonderful flavors. This simple guide will help you create a hearty meal. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Brown your beef chunks in batches until they're nicely golden on all sides. This adds incredible depth of flavor. Remove the beef, then add your chopped onions and garlic to the pot, sautéing for about 3 minutes until they're fragrant. A splash of broth helps deglaze the pot, capturing all those tasty brown bits. Now, return the browned beef to the pot. Pour in the 4 cups of beef broth, add your prepared vegetables, and stir in your chosen seasonings. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer. Allow it to cook for 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the beef chunks are wonderfully tender and falling apart. Patience truly pays off here. Finally, if you prefer a thicker stew, create a simple cornstarch slurry by mixing 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water, then stir it into the simmering stew until it reaches your desired consistency. Taste and adjust any seasonings as needed. Serve your hearty chunk stew hot, perhaps with some crusty bread. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.